Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix stuttering and lag in Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. The first thing you want to do is launch the game. Okay, from here, go to Options, go to Video, scroll down. You want to change the texture pool size to low if it isn't already. And you want to change the upscaling from TAA to DLSS. See if that fixes it, and change it back to see if that fixes it as well. Okay, let's go back to Windows. When you're back in Windows, you want to verify the game files through Xbox Game Pass. So right click on this, click on Manage, click on Files, click on Verify and Repair, and see if that fixes the issue. The last thing you want to do is use a program called Exit Lag. It's quite useful. It increases FPS in almost every game. So you download it. It's a paid service, but you get a free 3 days to see if that fixes. See if that works for you. So go to FPS boost here. And by the way, you'll find a link to this in the video description. But click on set maximum prioritizing priority for games, minimum. Basically click on all of these. And that should increase the FPS in your game quite a bit. And then save the settings and restart the game to see if it works.